Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing devices and permissions. This is essential. Turn on location services, enable high accuracy mode if available, and make sure each phone is charged above 20% so the process won't fail. Next, choose the tracking method. Built-in sharing for simplicity, a dedicated family tracker for accuracy, or a cross-platform app if members use different systems. Once done, have everyone approve sharing and link accounts. This avoids privacy issues and lets you move to installation without delays. Now install and configure the tracking app on each device. Sign in using the accounts you agreed on and grant background location and notification permissions. Otherwise, updates will stop when the app is closed. Configure sharing preferences so only approved people can see locations. Set geofence zones for home and school, and choose update intervals that balance accuracy with battery life. Once configured, test with one short trip to confirm live updates, then adjust polling frequency or permissions if positions lag. Finish by testing, maintaining, and knowing one key troubleshooting tip. Run live tests, take short drives and mark arrivals to verify timestamps and map placement. Keep apps updated and exempt them from aggressive battery optimization so they run reliably. Make sure each member reviews consent periodically. If tracking stalls or shows stale locations, restart the device, confirm background location is allowed, and check cellular or Wi-Fi connectivity. This restart and permission check resolves most issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.